Hi YouTube, it's Elevator Freak 112 here, and as you can tell by the sound, it's raining today. You know what, that just sucks. But guess what? One thing made me happy. Look, I found my padlock. My 6-lever padlock, that's right. And we're gonna unbox it. Now, know when you're cutting, always cut away from yourself. Let me get it out. There we go. Now it's cutting. Now we're gonna go over here to the other side and cut it. This is just unboxing. Oh, excuse me, this is my camera. Okay, that was rather awkward. This is my camera, not my padlock. Looks like I got my camera back today. That's right. Got my camera. Sorry, I thought it was my padlock, but apparently it's not. It's my camera. That makes me even happier. I can do elevator videos again. Okay, that's it.